Hi, Gareth and Janet.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day. Maybe not so happy. I mean, I'm with her, so what could be better? But remember a couple weeks ago we posted a video about our cruise, our inaugural cruise on the brand new Sun Princess. Wow, I said that wrong.
Yeah, for February 8th.
Yeah, we were on the inaugural cruise, and then about a week before the cruise, they sent us an email and called us up and said, hey, that cruise isn't going to sail. But
we had double booked for the next cruise.
So we were going to be still on the inaugural cruise, February 18th. And,
we are all packed, got our medallions, everything's packed, ready to go.
I'm wearing my medallion. We would be at the airport right now because we were going to go a couple days early and, stay in Rome, see Rome a little bit again.
Our flight's in an hour.
Yeah, our flight's in about an hour to Rome. But Princess sent us an email last night. February 18th is not going to go. So we are not going to cruise.
We are not happy.
No. In fact, we're not going to cruise on the Sun Princess because it's like booked up and we've got other cruises.
It says it's booked up, but
Right.
people are speculating that it's because they're not going to sail the ship.
Yeah, people are saying that,
Through March, they're saying it's canceled through March. Other people are saying through September. So we're not getting any answers from anybody, but we don't have another Princess cruise planned.
of course, that's social media. And I know that we're lucky because we get to cruise and we get to go on these cruises and everything, but we've spent hours and hours planning this cruise and organizing hotels and booking hotels, which, by the way, some of it was not fully refundable.
Even though we got the refundable insurance for the train and the hotels.
Yeah, so Princess is going to pay up to $200 a person, they said, for problems like that. Now, some people, remember, are already in Rome waiting for the ship. They already flew, so they're not going to get a refund on that airfare, I don't think, unless it was under $200. Some people booked airfare that's non-refundable, not through Princess. Fortunately, we booked through Princess. In fact, Americans still thinks we're flying today because last time it took 2 weeks for them to cancel our flight.
We even got notices that our transfer was going to be delayed.
So I feel worse for other people on the cruise because they're going to lose a lot of money.
And this was their vacation.
And Princess is going to lose a lot of business, I have a feeling. We love Princess, but I can't get over the feeling that they maybe knew this was going to happen. Last time, like I said, it was a week or so before the cruise. This time, it was last night, and we were flying out this morning.
And the cruise was set to go on Sunday.
So, Sunday? Well, the 18th, whenever that is, 4 days from now. I guess there's nothing else to say or do.
Other than how unhappy we are with Princess.
We're all ready. We got luggage tags. We got suitcases. These were right here this morning, because we brought them down last night before we knew. I got a book I'm going to read, and
I also wanted to add, I think the refund that they're giving us for the cruise, yes, but the additional 50% off of our base price of the cruise as future cruise credit is BS. They don't refund port charges, the taxes, those things. So you spend $2,000 a person.
No, they refund it. You don't get that applied as future cruise credit.
Right.
Right.
They refund it off the original cruise, is what I'm saying, but not on the future cruise credit. So you're gonna get, $800 to $1,000 per person future cruise credit. Princess really needs to change that for us. This was such an inconvenience for everybody. I'm sure even, Princess, the people that had to come and call us and tell us that the cruise is canceled, you could just hear it in their voices. They were like, oh, I hate to do this. But come on, get real.
Plus, take into account that we got a bargain because we booked it on another
the
cruise.
ship.
So it was 25% less, and we got a bargain on the premier package, which unless they offer that on a future cruise we book, then we lose all that money. Plus, like I said before, we spent hours, preparing and printing tickets and all sorts of things. We even bought new neck pillows for the flight, and
Train tickets and
but
transfers.
that's what happens.
Thanks, Princess.
We still love you. Well, so from Southern California, not going on a cruise,
It's Janet,
and Gareth.
and we'll hopefully see you in the next port. Bye.
Bye. Oh, one more thing. Medallions. Quiet on the set. Is that too much luggage for a 10-day cruise?